It's also got Bluetooth 5.3, offering a stable and fast connection with excellent audio quality over LDAC. Touch control is also great. You press the controls at the back and they change color. It's very intuitive and responds to you. We also have the Edifier Connects app as well, which you can customize your sound with a 6-band EQ setting as well. I'm going to go do a sound test now. So we're going to play it and then come back afterwards and give you our impression. So guys, as you can see, the soundstage is impressive with excellent imaging and separation.